right? Because if you look from 1964 to 1982, which is a period I'm sort of angling or getting people to understand because we're sort of close to there, what you're looking at is companies made good earnings per share, right? The economy did quite all right, a bit messy in the 70s, but the big thing was inflation. So you made 8% nominal returns, but you made 1% real. And the reason was because inflation was running at 7%. And so from 64, when the Cape was at about 25, it went to about 7 in 1982. That's what I think we've got going again. We've got 10, 15 years of a secular bear market where it's a slow grind lower. But as I said, perversely, you'll have a job, you'll have a good income, and things will generally seem all right. Right? And that's why I'm saying when you've got a steady income and it's rising, and the kids are at school and everything's running along fairly normal, you tend to think less about, how am I going to make my next million, right? The financial independence, retire early. We never had that in my day because we didn't need to. We got a job and there was, interest rates were 18%. Didn't matter. We had income to cover it. We had steady jobs, stuff like that. So that's where I think we're heading back to, right? Higher interest rates, higher inflation, lower returns if you invest in places like the US where the Cape's at 35.
Yeah.
Right?
So we've got to wait till we're 45 to pile in.
No.
Well,
not necessarily, right?
It's just where you buy. Right?
Well, hopefully, price does to trend and the whole price and value start to line up a bit better. That's what we would like to see. Because that means, to your point, Jacob, we can invest in... We've got way more options, right?
Absolutely.
Got way more options in what you can invest in.
Jesus, you guys can move your money to bloody Peru in a blink.
Mate.
Bitcoin.
I might.
That's a global currency.
Go 50-50.
In my day, you had to go to the bank and ask them for $5 in cash. Yeah. Right? You could, you had to go to the bank and get your money out. We didn't have ATMs and all that stuff. So you guys have got a lot more opportunity. You can invest in Brazil on a Cape of 10. You can invest in Poland on a Cape of 8. All of that stuff. And that's what I'm saying. I don't want people to be doom and gloom about, oh my God, Steve